In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to share an existing SalesPype campaign with another SalesPype user. And let's take a look at an example. So let's say we have this campaign built out, and maybe there's someone else on our team or just someone else we know that uses SalesPype, and we want to share this campaign with them. All you would need to do is go right over here to this share button right here, click it, click shared with friends. And now you're going to see this link right here that can be used, and this is going to allow them to import it into their system. So let's go ahead and just attach a little message. Here's the link to import my SalesPype campaign. And now you just want to put in the SalesPype user's email address, and this is the email address that they are using in SalesPype. Click send. And in just a minute, that SalesPype user is going to receive an email from our system that allows them to import this campaign into their system. So this is a great feature. I highly recommend you use it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take care.